I got the GMC Sierra with the 5.7 350 on the inside. So what I got going on here is I'm cleaning up the fuel lines because I want to make sure when I put the gas tanks back up, I don't gunk up my carburetor. So it actually shows right here on the carb, the filter is right here. So all you have to do is disconnect the fuel line, which would be this one here. Your filter actually sits inside of here like this. It sits like that. It just kind of sits in there. And this little spring on the inside of there. All you're gonna do is turn this bad boy just like that. So after you get this in there, of course, you can put your fuel line back on. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna blow the fuel line out from here, some carb cleaner. And I got it disconnected right underneath here where the fuel pump is. So the line will come into this fuel bowl. This will be the bowl. And it should spray out of those lines. Right here. It should spray out right there. It'll spray out right here. And also, these are the lines coming from the gas tank. This rubber hose and this rubber hose. So what I'll do there is I will actually go to the back, which is way back there, and I'll blow out the fuel lines. I could blow out the fuel lines here too, towards the back, which may be easier. I'll probably try that. So we'll go ahead, get that done. But I just wanted to make a video to show everybody where the stock fuel filter is on the original Cargojet 5.7 350 liter engine, if everything is still original on your vehicle.